Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have another double unboxing video here. And today, of course, we have the Laco. This came in a big box. I couldn't fit it under camera, so I just decided to take it out. And here we got another box here with another watch. But let's, since the cat is out of the bag on the Laco, let's just open that up. And this is coming from Kevin via my buddy Josh. Both Kevin and Josh have channels, and this watch is been on a tour, and so now it's my turn. And this is not the first Laco I had on the channel. Kevin actually sent me his personal Laco for review. I believe it was called the Valencia. Yeah, I believe so. This one is let's see here. Okay, now I'm opening this up for the first time. I really don't know. Okay, so it looks like another marine watch. I've yet to have a Laco Flieger on the channel. I'm gonna have to remedy that one day. But so this is another Laco here, the Cuxhaven. Cuxhaven. Yeah, I think that's the name of it. Yeah. So I'll get the right pronunciation of that for the review. But this looks like a marine style watch with the minute track on the outside. That's kind of like the giveaway to me. Um, looks like a 6498. You do have the small seconds on the 6 o'clock. So Unitas or ETA now 6498 movement. Decently decorated. Not too bad with the Côte de Genève or the Genève stripes there. Quick history on the 6498 and the 6497. These used to be pocket watches movements, and then someone had the bright idea of putting them on a wristwatch. And the 6498, you have a 6498 when you have a 6 o'clock minute hand. Small seconds, I'm sorry, 6 o'clock small seconds, and then 6497 would be a 9 o'clock small seconds, and so back in the day when these were pocket watches, the 6497 and 98, you'd have the wind up here on top of the pocket watch, and the small seconds on a 6498 would be at the 3 o'clock. But now on a wristwatch, it's at the 6 o'clock. And so with the 6497, you'd have the small seconds on the pocket watch on the 6 o'clock, but on a wristwatch you'd have it on 9 o'clock. So pretty cool. They're slow beat, reliable workhorse type movements. I have a 6497 on my Panerai, and I've had that Panerai for 15 years and have yet needed it to get serviced. The 6498, I have it on a Steinhardt regulator, which is being serviced now, but it has nothing to do with the movement per se or the reliability of the movement. It was just some freak screw breaking off, probably in shipment when it was shipping somewhere. Anyway, that's getting taken care of. So really cool movement, and you see it on the Laco here. Let me put this on. Now it is probably going to be around, I don't know what the measurements are, but I'm guessing it's a 42 millimeter. Usually 64 98s and 97s come in a 42 millimeter. That's actually fits pretty nicely, and it's rather thin. And the lugs to lug is probably like around 48. I mean, it's not even 50, I don't think. I could be wrong, but I'll get those exact measurements when I do the review. But really nice looking watch. Yeah. Okie dokie, let's get the strap off on that. And then here's another one. This one's coming from my buddy Michael. And take a look now. Now Michael is I've known him for years, and he was actually a photographer at my wife and I's wedding. And so he reached out to me recently, and he said he had a G-Shock. He was like, you should do more G-Shock reviews. And of course, yeah, sure. As if I can get them in, I'll get them in. And I have this Gravity Master that I got the other day in hand, and he had a Mudmaster that he sent in. And wow, look at this thing. This is awesome. And I was really happy that the timing was just perfect because, like I said, I got this in, and he's sending me this, and I think I'm going to do videos on each for review, But comparing the two, I may have to do a video on that too because look, they have different functionalities. They're meant for different things, but they're kind of similar in size, and they're just really tough watches. And I think they'll make a really good comparison. Now, let me put the Mudmaster on. Um, right off the bat, I got to tell you, I feel that the Mudmaster, the version that Michael has here, they sent over, is a slightly better quality than the Gravity Master I have. I don't know what the price of the Mudmaster is, but I think I could totally feel it's just feels more substantial than this watch, but not in a bad way. It just feels more solid, and we have a clasp here that a buckle here that is, I think it's plastic to be honest with you, and here you have a metal steel here clasp, which is great. So thanks, Michael, for sending this in. I will be doing a review on this one and the Laco. And guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.